Hey Penny, shall we play games on my Amiga CD32?
Good idea, a Viagem? Wait, what?
Duke, do you want the ball?
Oh great, not another error.
I will restart. If that doesn't work, then I'm summoning Chuckle's jump scare.
Don't you dare, a Viagem. No, nitrogen monoxide,
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
nitrogen monoxide, not again.
A Viagem. I said stop summoning jump scares.
Oh, God, we are about to enter recovery mode.
I know, right? Wait, what's that creepy music coming from? I'm scared.
I told you we are entering recovery mode. If it's a fatal error, then I'm summoning Ethan Gamer 9000 jump scare.
Let's hope it's a successful one.
New my Amiga CD32.